In any case, guys, yeah. Okay, we were by the Bloody
Mary.
Mary. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. I love it.
This
Let's have
is
a stir again.
it's to me this is almost a perfect drink. I will not rate the four drinks we had now. I will only rate three because the the watermelon shot didn't work for me, so that is a dead loss.
That's a dead loss for me as well. That's a
And
0
then
out of 10.
and then in second place, I will definitely put the chocolate liqueur. That was very nice.
Yeah.
And then in an equal first place, I will rate this and the Cactus Jack. That
The
was
same. The Cactus Jack had a very similar taste to this, strangely
yeah,
enough.
strangely enough, it did.
Yeah.
There was a tomato base there, and the tomato base worked perfectly with the tequila.
I agree with you 100%. I love this. I will sit with this every day.
No, I'm going to beg to differ. I didn't like the chocolate liqueur, purely based that I don't like burn and something that I like together. It just doesn't work for me.
Mm.
However, um, the tequila I would say had more of a sweet base than I didn't get the spiciness afterwards. So I would go the chocolate, the tequila, the watermelon. I love the watermelon. That's my drink. So I enjoyed that. But my first one is definitely this.
Yeah, mine as well, definitely.
So I mean, anonymously we say the Bloody Mary with one or with three definitely comes out tops.
Definitely comes out tops. And there's